All right, to attach your MLOK adapters, you're gonna need access to the back of the rail system, and to do that, you'll need to unscrew the screws that are on the inside of the helmet. So we'll go ahead and start doing that. And on this last one, we don't need to unscrew all the way. The rail system pops right off. And so what you'll need to be careful of is sometimes these things can fall off. So you're gonna wanna secure these as well as the screws. You're gonna wanna put them in a safe place. All right, now that we have the rail system off, you're gonna wanna grab your T-nut over here, place it vertically behind the rail system on the middle slot. While keeping it vertical, you can then flip it back over. Then you're going to place the MLOK adapter and then drop the screw right in. Once it's caught, you should have an Allen key that would have came with your kit. You're gonna want to screw the rest of it on just like that. You're gonna want to make sure not to over tighten. Once you feel that it's on there good, you want to just leave it like that. Make sure that the T-nut in the back is still vertical. And now that's set, you're just gonna want to screw it back on to your helmet. All right, and now grabbing your helmet mount, you're gonna want to apply some gentle force, making sure it's lined up properly. And then you're just gonna want to push, and it should slide on with some gentle force as mentioned. But it is on there good. It won't slide off or anything. You just click back in. That's how you install your MLOK helmet mounts.